Alright, we are here at the Residence Inn in downtown Tampa, and look at this. The full replacement to the ThyssenDovers is complete. It's already pushed. It's gonna be this one. Alright, what floor are you going to?
3.
Don't worry, I'm not getting you on camera, don't worry. Just showing the elevators, that's all. Because I'm into elevators. And they just replaced these, actually. Brand spanking new. Have a nice day, sir. Yeah. Oh, going up?
Yes.
7?
Yes,
Or
yes.
some other floor? Okay.
You can go.
Okay. Oh, this is 6, actually.
Oh, yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Nice day.
You too. I just got off to make it look like I was going somewhere, but anyways, here I am back at the Residence Inn in Tampa, which I'm sure you guys remember. I filmed these last year. These were the relay-controlled ThyssenDover custom impulse elevators from 2001, and that elevator was in the process of being replaced. And interestingly enough, that one was a overhead traction, but according to Elevator Man 227's video, that one was actually hydro. But as you can see, now they've been totally replaced with EcoDisc MRLs, and I know that for a fact as I've seen the inside of the shafts of these. And the only thing remaining of the original elevators is the outside doors. I mean, if I knew nothing about this place, I probably would have never assumed that we had 2 Dovers here. 1. They even replaced the door track too with a new KONE one. And the panel and everything, like it's not slapped on, like this is a full-on replacement. This is the one I got to ride when it was still original. Here are your fixtures, KSS 570. Here we are. I guess we'll give it one more ride. And now the rear door is locked. See, look at that. These actually are pretty smooth for EcoDiscs, actually. They don't run too bad. Still, it's incredibly stupid that they replaced elevators that weren't even 20 years old that were working just fine. Granted, they were pretty outdated for elevators that were from 2001, but still. You going down? You think you can fit in here? Well, I'd better get out of here now. Hear your typical EcoDisc noise. Not as cheap feeling as some of the older EcoDiscs I've been on, but still feels kind of cheap, but these run pretty well. Here we are on one. And I'm gonna get out of here. I think the cabs have been changed out, but I can't quite tell. Anyways, there it goes. That's gonna be it.